You don't need to touch your devices anymore. A new way to control your smart device with maximum ease. We introduce to you the world's most easy-to-use and convenient AI mouse, SNOWL. SNOWL is a ring-shaped contactless human interface that allows you to control your smart devices such as tablets more easily. Using the Air Mouse mode, you can control your devices just with your finger, and when you press and hold the middle of touch sensor for 2 seconds, the mouse changes into the gesture mode. In the gesture mode, you can freely control your devices using 8 intuitive gestures. Using SNOWL, you can become a versatile and eye-catching presenter. You can control any device you need for your presentation. Using SNOWL, you can enjoy your mobile games in 3-dimensional space as if you're in a virtual reality. You can also connect it to your TV and enjoy all kinds of exciting content through a big screen. SNOWL's 9DoF sensor and machine learning system learns and precisely analyzes the user's finger gestures. 3D spatial coordinates movement measured by the 9DoF sensor are sent to your smart devices in real time so you can control those devices using just simple finger gestures. The SNOWL software also allows gesture customization. The machine learning engine equipped in SNOWL will learn your gestures and allow you to control your devices freely and precisely. SNOWL is a contactless gesture-based interface that is more evolved than your other devices with touch interfaces. You'll be able to control any smart device just by using simple finger gestures. You can freely move the cursor, click, zoom in, and swipe using finger gestures. You can connect multiple devices to your SNOWL and control them freely. SNOWL also comes with a charging cradle. This special cradle not only charges your SNOWL but can also be used as a joystick mouse. Light, comfortable, easy-to-use finger mouse that helps you control any smart device. SNOWL is an innovative controller perfect for the coming era of virtual reality. SNOWL.
We use mouses every day. Most of them are pretty much the same thing. Unlike any other mouses you find in the market, Jim here is using a brand new concept mouse. Introducing LKKER's new design, the next generation foldable, wireless, and touchwheel mouse. Besides actual feature functions, the folding makes the mouse enjoyable to hold, helps you to concentrate while thinking hard, and reduce pressure. Jim takes it anywhere he goes. With its folding feature, you can easily turn it into a Bluetooth laser pointer. Plus, to play and pause a video clip when needed. You can do anything with this amazing and accurate 4D wheel control. No matter it is to copy, paste, adjust position of your graphs, or simply flipping through pages. Flipping pages can sometimes be a lot of extra work, especially when reading an ebook in wintertime. That certainly is not a problem for Jim. Thanks to the LKKER mouse, now it's a page flipper. With its 4D wheel, the accurate navigation works perfectly on your tablet as well. No matter if it is for browsing websites, reading ebooks, or going through PDF files. The LKKER mouse has smooth movement across the full screen. It works on small screens. Surely it would work on even bigger screens. Now Jim is using it as a remote for his TV. It's faster and more convenient than a regular TV remote. After all, LKKER mouse is all about problem solving and making your life better. Find out more on our fundraising page today.
use time before having to recharge is 66 hours in office mode and 40 hours in gaming mode. The Ultra Custom is your entry point into the art of PC gaming.